have brush your teeth. I got, I did, and I guess I spit out this. Daddy, lick my teeth. Mommy and my tongue. Your toothpaste takes a minute. Yummy mint yours. Yours is mint. They don't die, you swallow it, and you're going to be sick. They get caries, you want to take your teeth out. It's going to hurt really bad. Have blood in it. And then Daddy, get your teeth out, and I never see you again. Daddy, I get your teeth out, and one day I have to pick a new day, and I will see you again. Hey, but you didn't die now, Daddy.
No.
They have to brush your teeth now. You're not, and I get your teeth out, and I have to see you again.
Alright.
So, okay. I'll show you how to do it. Let me show you.